Here comes this super gentle wide blade lace bracelet. Insert for beads. Rotate one bead. Add one bead. Pass through the next bead. Continue to add a loop.
And beads young and old. A craftswoman's heart beats strong.
ADD for beads and rotate one bead. Pass through one bead. Add one bead. Pass through the next bead. Continue to add 2 times. Rotate to this bead.
In her workshop, love resides. Where art and
Continue to repeat to the appropriate length. Need to make 2 of the same length. Pass through this bead. Add one bead. Pass through the other bead. Add one bead and pass through the next bead. Add one bead. Pass through the next bead. Rotate to the next bead.
With every stitch, every thread that waits. In her workshop, love resides.
Continue to add the next color bead.
Art and craft abide.
Continue to the next set.
From the quiet, she finds her voice.
Repeat the whole set.
Spoken without a
Pass
choice.
through this bead. Add one bead. Pass through the other bead. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Heart.